Not good. Fine as it? Money. Rokra. So here, be very, very careful. Be very, very careful when you want to throw something on the ground, because if you get caught, $300 fine. First time offenders. $300 fine. It's not worth it. No, English. English on the ground. I will be speaking on
Someone come
but
for translation.
alright. So if you get caught, it's $300. Okay, so it's not worth it. Okay, right? Okay, so in case you have not adjusted your watches, please do so. The local time is 5:40 p.m. 5:40 p.m. Please adjust your time.